Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Fortnite network connection lost error on your PC, and we're going to do it step by step so you can get back in the game fast. First, go to your Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then under DNS settings, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For the first line, enter 8.8.8.8. For the second line, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, just restart your computer and the Fortnite connection error should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.